Curcuma aromatica, wild turmeric. Have you ever seen this kind of pinkish flower in the jungle, which enhances the beauty of the jungle floor? Does it have some medicinal properties? You guessed right. Yes, it does. It is the threatened aromatic medicinal plant, which have leaf, flower stalk, and rhizome. You know, it has anti-cancerous, anti-obesity, anti-acne, anti-tussive, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and wound healing properties. Amazing, right? Therefore, if you see it in the jungle, please don't pluck it out. Just enjoy its beauty to conserve it. Bye bye. Thank you.